Looking at the process of puberty and physical changes, tinozvifunza kuti chii chatoda kumbotarisa, process imbori yechii, chii chinombonzi puberty, tinoitawo here puberty iyi zvatiri kukura. Patinge tichifamba namama nadhedhi, vanhu vatosangana navo vanenge vachipembedza vabereki vedu vachiti mayarutsa, vanenge vachimborevei. Patinoita mabirthday paya tinge chimbopemberera chii. So we have what is called the process of puberty and physical changes. As children grow, their bodies change. So patinokura, our body begins to change. And in this change, their reproductive systems change to enable them to reproduce in the future. So trikuti, as children grow, mapaona, their reproductive systems change. And why do these reproductive systems change? So that they can reproduce in the future. Saka this is the reason. Ndo saka tichikura kuitira kuti kana takura tinokwanisa kuzoitawo vana vedu, we can reproduce in the future. So as children grow, their reproductive systems change. Why do these reproductive systems change? So that they can reproduce in the future. The time in which children begin to develop into adults is called puberty. Saka chinonzi puberty, trikutarisa, is the time children develop into adults. Vana vanenge vachiva ma-adults. Okay. So of course this process passes through being a teenager. And in our times, teenagers, they are identified by different terms and names. Vamwe vanoti ama2K, vamwe vanoti generation Z, vamwe ndo vanoti just teenagers. So makore edu panotanga kuti teen, mapaona. Patinoti 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, ndo nguva dzatenge tichiita transition kana kuti develop into adults. That process is called puberty. Saka chii chinoitika in puberty? Tichatarisa kuti pane ma-physical changes. Sezvatatotaura kuti the body will change physically. And saka let us just put this point kuti in puberty, kana kuti during puberty, what happens during puberty? So during puberty, children begin to develop, kana kuti children will show physical changes. And the physical changes aya anowanikwa in both girls and boys. Saka zvongozi zvevakomana chete, zvongozi zvevasikana chete, it is in both boys and girls. Saka tichava a table which is going to help us explain the physical changes which happen during puberty. During puberty, children show physical changes in boys and girls. Alright, so let us look at this table so that it can help us understand what we are talking about. So this table will help us explain the physical changes for boys and girls at puberty stage. So chichi chinoitika to boys, we have the deepening of the voice. Saka panapa pekutanga tikutarisa chi kuti the voice deepens. Tanga kutaura nekabhesi so. And sapa tinge tichikura tese tinenge tiine voice rakafanana more or less. Tese tinenge tiine a soft voice, both boys and girls. Asi vakomana pavanopinda in this puberty stage, their voice deepens. Nobva raita kakukorera like. Mapaona. Then the second thing which also happens to boys, ndechekuti their shoulders will widen, then their muscles will strengthen, vanobva vaita kakusimba, their chest grows larger and become taller in height. Vanobva vatanga zvakare kureba. So we have the broadening, kana kuti the widening of shoulders, tine the strengthening of the muscles, then the chest grows larger and they'll become taller. Chimwe chinoitika as of our number 3, the skin becomes oily. Ndozonozoita kuti tive neaya anonzi mapimples. Muchishona mapundu kumeso. Inawe yekuti the skin becomes oily, especially kuface. So apanapa padi paspecify wakuti the skin on the face becomes oily. And because the skin becomes oily, we go to number 4 where we have the developing of pimples on their faces. So pate chikura patinoenda kuma tintini paya tinotanga kuva nemapimples on our faces. Then tozoita the growth of hair in the pubic area, the chest, the face, the armpits. Saka kune rinonzi pubic hair. We are going to see it in our next section, patinenge takudiscussa what we refer to as hygiene practices at the puberty stage. Saka we have what is called pubic hair. Pubic hair ifudzi, hair which grows on our private parts. Kutanga on the reproductive parts themselves. And you know the reproductive system of boys or men. Ndo yaya yatastada kumsoroko tichiti the male reproductive system. So we have hair growing in the pubic area, also the chest, the face, the armpits. That's our number 5. And then lastly, we talk about what are called wet dreams. So wet dreams, these are dreams in which young boys who are in their puberty period, they would have some dreams where they are involved in the process of sexual intercourse. So if a young boy has a dream in which they are having sexual intercourse in the dream, and when they wake up, they will have the word is ejaculated, kana kuti vanenge vabuditsa their sperm. Saka chimwe chatisina kutarisa kana kutaura panapa is the production of sperm, but we are going to get into it. So that is what a wet dream is. You can ask your parents, they can elaborate on this. So this is just a summary of the things, physical changes which boys undertake during their period of puberty. Let us go to girls. Number 1, development of breasts. Kushona tinevara rekuti bima. Rinongoreva musikana anenge akutanga kuita mazamu. So the development of breasts, that's the first thing chinotanga kuitika. Vakomana nevasikana vachiri vana vadiki vese vanenge vaine a flat chest. But chinoitika kwakomana ndechekuti the chest grows larger. Zvatanyora panapa. Mapaona, the chest grows larger. But for girls, they actually develop breasts. Number 2, the body shape changes. Their hips widen and also their height increases. Saka tine zvakafanana zvinenge zviripo between boys and girls. Vese vari kukura, vese they are now teenagers. They are in their puberty. Like, for example, the increase in height. vakomana vanoreba, vasikana vanoreba. Tina vasikana vakareba kudarika vakomana, tina vakomana vakareba kudarika vasikana, asi vese vanoreba. Andika? So the body shape changes. For girls, their hips will widen, and also there is an increase in their height. Then chimwe chakafanana is number 3, where we have the skin becomes oily. Saka the skin of boys becomes oily, but for boys it's usually the face. Saka kurauti skin iri ku face ndo inova oily, but for girls generally the whole body, their skin becomes oily. And then for number 4 we have develop pimples on their faces. Girls and boys, we have pimples on their faces. And for number 5, hair develops in the pubic area and armpits. Samkaverenga zvirukuitika kuvakomana kunoku tiri kuti growth of hair in the pubic area, chest, face and armpits. Saka vasikana generally speaking, they will only develop pubic hair in the pubic area and also armpits. But vakomana, they will include the chest, the face don't have beard, and also armpits and pubic area. Samkona msiyano waso hapa. Then for girls, there's a process which is very important, which is called menstruation. We are going to get into it. But menstruation, tichingotsanangura kuti inombafamba sei kuti chimbori chii. Menstruation is the process where musikana ari kudevelopa. If you remember what we said earlier on, tati the reason why there are physical changes in a way kuti the body is making itself ready to reproduce in the future. Mapaona. Dosaka, these physical changes, they both include the private parts or the reproductive systems. So for a girl, the ova develops so that it is capable to later on meet with the sperm and we have fertilization of a baby. Mapaona. But kana musikana asvika panguva yekuti the body is ready to release the ova and later on receive the sperm so that there can be fertilization, and there is no sperm, the body begins to shed off the ova. Kunonzi kuenda kumwedzi kana kuri kushona. Ndo inonzi menstruation, where girls have a cycle through which they release ovum and then they will shed off the ovum. Ovarabuda iri a liquid which is reddish, some might call it blood and stuff. We are going to double down on it, but for now it's just more like a revision.